Welcome to BankCard Pro CRM account tracking software. In this training session, I'm going to teach you how to export a mailing list, which is a tool that's only allowed to be used by administrative users and the system admin user. So on your home page, login page, you're going to add your username and your password. You're going to agree to the terms of service, log in, and what we're going to do is in the status section, you're going to be able to see all the accounts ever inputted and boarded into your system. So on the status section, it'll actually have a section that says application status, and it will show all the accounts that are in progress. And if you click on all, it'll actually show all the accounts that are in progress. On the left column of your status section, you're going to see quick links, and you're going to see all the different status levels for every account ever boarded into the system. Out of all the accounts that are boarded, you'll see that there's 2 accounts pending. You'll see that there's 10 accounts approved. File build ready, there's 1 account. And then you're going to see prepare invoice 1, payroll approved 1, payroll paid 2, canceled 1, and then all apps. So what we're going to do is click on all apps, and that will tell you all the accounts that exist in your database, which you can see as we scroll all the way down. You can see every account in the system. Now what we're going to do is show you how to export a mailing list so that you can mail statements or advertisements to all your accounts in the system. So what you're going to do is on the gray menu bar, you're going to click on the home page, and then you're going to click on export mailing list. And then on this page, it will tell you how many users are in the software, how many address book contests you have, how many businesses leads you have in the system, and how many merchants or accounts you have in the system. And right now for users, it says you have 37 users. Address book contests, you have 2 address book contacts. You have 671 leads and 423 merchants in the system. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to export just the merchant list. And what I'm going to do is I don't need to view the list because this will actually tell you all the merchants in the system. What we're going to do is just select all. So basically it'll say out of 423 contacts, 423 are selected. Now on the second step, you're going to choose the fields you want to export in your mailing list. So we want company, contact name, phone, we want address, suite, city, state, zip, and if you want to, you could choose email, fax, website, owner's name. You can even choose username, status level, and bank processor. Now on the third step, you could choose a status level. You could choose all the accounts for all status levels, or all pending status levels, or all canceled close accounts. And for this demo purpose, we're just going to choose all. We're going to click on export, and it says do you want to open or save the mailing list. And what I want to do is I'm going to save it, but I want to open it first and view it. We're going to open up Microsoft Excel, and we're going to click on this, and basically it creates an Excel document with all the columns: company, contact, phone, address, suite, city, state, zip, email, fax, website, owner's name, username, status level, and bank processor name. So we're going to see all the results for your mailing list, and as you scroll down, you're going to see a lot of the accounts, everything that looks blank, were accounts in the system just for demo purposes only. Basically, there were apps that were filled out and submitted where a lot of the fields weren't filled out. So there are some accounts where you can see all the information for the accounts, and this is the results that you get on the system. So what we're going to do is close that. We'll obviously save that at a later time. The other thing that you could do is you can export all your user accounts if you want to mail them a Christmas card or a bonus or something like that. You could choose and select all, and you could choose all these fields if you want to. But what we're going to do is just going to be a mailing list. We're going to get rid of the email, fax, website, username, status, processor, just the company, contact. We don't need the phone, the address, suite, city, state, and zip. And we're going to click on export, and we're going to open, and it's going to show me a list of all my users that are in the software. So I could be able to use this to print out mailing labels, and send out Christmas cards or whatever to all my sales reps that are in the system. And in this column here, you can see there's all the users I have in my system. So we're going to close this, and that basically explains how to use the mailing list options. I'm going to sign out, and this will conclude this training session.